If you happen to use Gmail, this is the fastest security fix you can make today. Google just turned on something called AI Smart Features that actually reads your email content to train itself on how to make suggestions and other AI automation. And if you don't want that happening, I'll show you how to turn it off right now. Here's the exact setting. Log into Gmail on a desktop browser and click the gear icon in the top right. Then click See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab. Scroll on down until you see Smart Features. If that box is checked, Gmail is processing your email content for AI features. It's reading it. Uncheck that box. Then click Turn Off and Reload. Now, most people stop here, but don't. Go back to the gear icon again. Click See All Settings one more time and scroll down until you find Google Workspace Smart Features. Click that button that says Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Turn off Smart Features in Google Workspace and then turn off Smart Features in other Google products. Scroll down and click Save, and that's it. Your inbox will then stop feeding those AI systems. You'll lose things like auto-writing suggestions and summaries, but you'll also reduce how much of your personal and financial behavior gets read, analyzed, and cataloged by Google. For traders, that matters. Your email contains your broker alerts, your account activity, your financial notifications, and your identity information. That makes it one of the most detailed digital profiles you have. Less processing, less AI reading your content means less exposure. And this is why I always say trading security isn't just about fast computers and internet speed. It's about controlling your digital environment, the settings, the data, and the communication channels. Most people never check this stuff. If you want a full breakdown of exactly what you need for a high-performance trading setup that is secure, grab my complete guide to trading computers. I put a link to it in the description below. It covers performance, privacy, system configuration, and risks most traders don't even realize exist. And dude, if this helped you, slam that subscribe button. I don't want you to miss my next video. I know there's tech issues in there that are quietly affecting your trading performance, and I can help you. And if you want to see what a properly configured trading system actually looks like, watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z, and as I always say, may the trend be with you.